Again, another project. Your apartment building project has met with an unexpected problem. The supply of a critical material of your final finishes of the apartment is delayed by 25 days. You need to hand over the display apartment in 15 days. You have called a brainstorming team meeting to determine if you can deliver small materials for the display apartment. What are you trying to create? Risk management plan, risk mitigation strategy, a workaround, or identification of other risks. The risk already happened, right? Yes, it happened. Something has happened. And I told you before, when you talk about risk, we talk about something that's going to happen, right? Something that's going to happen. So the best one is what? Workaround. Because you're something that happened that you never planned for. And just need to work around it. It's not in the risk register. And just to understand it in a better way. So when it comes to mitigation, you need to understand, because there is misconception, major misconception in the industry about what mitigation is about. And this is the definition, if you just read it, between what is risk mitigation and what is workaround. So there is a major difference. Now the workaround, it's only your reaction to something that happened that you didn't even plan for. Okay, let's just do something about it. Oh my God, we didn't plan at all for it. Okay, it is not in the risk register. We don't know what analysis we will get. So they will just do some measures to deal with that particular incident. Okay? So risk mitigation is a risk response strategy whereby the project team acts to reduce the probability or occurrence. So mitigation is about what you have already analyzed. And you know that it is severe risk, it is high probability. And now my mitigation is to reduce the effect, to reduce that consequences. Okay? It is a major issue that if you understand it now, you can take it with you anywhere to make sure that you do it right. So even if we talk about risk mitigation now, so you have already planned for the risk and you know that risk is there. Okay? You know that risk is there. Okay, and now it is your mitigation. So whether the mitigation will happen before the incident or you allow the incident to happen, okay, this is up to you. And you treat that like the weather condition. Allow it to rain, then we'll just clean up. Okay, allow it to rain. Okay, under mitigation measures. Okay, so for simple incidents, it is different than when we say we'll accept the risk. Accepting the risk that okay, we will not do anything. Just accept, let it happen, and nothing will be happening afterwards. That is different. But when it comes to mitigation, you need to treat. You need to put some resources to deal with that situation. Yeah?